Now, welcome to the next edition of our online training. In our previous lesson, we learned how to work with our menu. We were able to create our menu name and we added some menu items like home, about us, our services, product testimonials, and contact us. And that is why we were able to get these on our site. Now, the next thing we want to learn is how to create a submenu. A submenu is a drop-down menu under any of these menu items. We can have, for example, on our services, let's assume this company renders about 4 or 5 different services, and we're trying to create a separate page for each of these services. Take, for example, let's say we have part of our services includes consultancy, we have training, we have cyber security, we have project management, and we have, let's say, e-commerce or just anything. So what do? We go back to our menu page to add menu item. So we add submenu as a menu item before making them to be a submenu. For example, here we have, let's say, consultancy. So we click on add to menu. Then after that we have, let's say we have project management. Add to menu. We have training. We add that to menu too. Then the last one, let's say we have cyber security. Cyber security. Now, when we leave them like that, like this, each of these menu actually serve as a menu item, and that is why when we click save menu and we go back to our browser to see how it looks, we're going to have all of them. You can see now we have consultancy here, we have project management here, we have training, and we have cyber security. But our intention is to make consultancy, project management, training, and cyber security a drop-down menu under our services. So what do? We go back to our back end. Now we are going to drag each of these services to become a sub-item under our services by shifting the alignment from the left align to just like a tab distance from the extreme left. So we drag project management in the next one also the same way. Then we drag training. Then the last one is cyber security. Now, having done this, what we're going to have now, let's save our menu. So when we save our menu, let's go back to view what we have on our browser. You can see we now have each of them as a sub menu under our services. Now, having done that, you can as well create a sub menu for a sub menu item. How do I mean? We want to say that cyber security and training should be a sub item under project management. So the next thing you just need to do is just to shift from here and give with a tab distance. That's all. So let's save our menu and let's see what we have on our browser. Now we have basically two, right? Consultancy and project management. The rest are under project management. So this is how to create submenu in WordPress. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please stay tuned until we come up with our next video. Thank you very much.